Hello, it's Trisha here from Passive Income Today. Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can really quickly and easily insert chapters into your YouTube videos. Inserting chapters is really important. It helps with the viewer to find exactly what they're looking for. It also helps with your search engine optimization, and it will help you get more people looking at your videos. If you think those three things are important to you on your channel, then you're going to love this little tip. It's really simple. The first thing you need to do is head over to your channel. I'm going to show you my channel behind the scenes. You need to pick a video that you would like to add chapters to. So let's just pick a random video here. Go to manage. And behind the scenes here, we really just want to pick any of these videos. Let's try this one. Get the link. Okay, I've got that. And then we're going to head over to InstaChapters. We're going to go over to InstaChapters, and it's really simple. Simply copy paste the link to your video in here and generate chapters. It'll take about a minute to generate. The AI tool will go through the video, read it, and select certain key points that will be important to note as a chapter. In the top section here, you can change the number of chapters that are shown. It's indicated that the optimal number of chapters is 7, so it's picked out the most important 7 points of the video. You simply copy paste this, copy, head back to your video. So I think we're going to take a look at this video. Go into your description and paste. And once you've done that, you save. Go over to your video and check it. Just pause this. Scroll down. You will see the chapters are inserted. As you can see, it's really easy and quick. So I'll put a link below if you're interested in learning how to do YouTube chapters into your videos to make them more searchable, to help people navigate and find exactly what they need. This is an excellent tool to use, and I think it was like only about $9 a month. It was really affordable. So take a look and let me know what you think. Have a great day.